Well, we are right in the middle of high school graduation season, but is your new grad ready for that big next step?
That's right. Well, Marinol School has some guidance for the grads and their parents.
It is an exciting day here at Maryknoll High School as we are getting to experience College Signing Day. Now, here to tell us all about College Signing Day, we bring in Monica and Larry. Good morning. How are you guys doing?
Doing well. How about yourself?
I'm doing well now that I'm here with you guys and we're talking all things college. Let's talk about what College Signing Day is. Could you tell all of our viewers what that is?
Sure. So we partnered with the National Better Make Room campaign, an initiative led by former First Lady Michelle Obama, where high schools across the nation host events really celebrating and honoring their seniors and celebrating their college plans. So here today, our seniors are able to rep their college, wear their apparel, identifying which college they'll be attending in the fall. And in addition to that, they're taking individual photographs, holding signage of their post-grad plans. We are fortunate to have Micah Banks from Power 104.3 here today emceeing the events. We also have our very own DJ Kevin Akitake, class of 96. And then we're also grateful to have representatives from Manoa, Chaminade University, and Hawaii Pacific University here today, as they're able to celebrate and welcome their soon-to-be first-year incoming students this fall.
So it's really an exciting day here at Maryknoll High School. I want to know, how does Marinol prepare their students for this milestone?
As a small school, we're able to really build those personalized relationships with students and their families. So by having those individualized one-on-one meetings, having our students take self-assessments that really build their self-awareness, where they're able to identify their interests and their personalities and really understand how there are certain occupations that match those interests and personalities. So with that, we're able to walk alongside of our students and help them identify what their post-grad plans are and the goals to attain that. So we're there to support them in that process.
Well, speaking of interest, Larry, this is what I want to bring you into the conversation. Where do most Marinol graduates go after?
Sure, a lot of our students go all over. We have a lot of students that go to the Northwest. We have students going to the University of Washington, University of Portland, coming down to California. We have a student today that's going to talk a little later. She's going to USC, UC Irvine, UCLA. So our students go all over. If they travel a little to the east, we have students going to Creighton in Nebraska, and then they venture off a little bit to places like Massachusetts, to Babson College. But I just heard back from 2 alums. Both of them are going to Harvard Med School in the fall. So we're very proud of our Marinol alums.
And one of the students that we want to introduce you to is Kaylana. Kaylana, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So I see on your shirt you're going to USC. Now you're going to be traveling across the pond. Tell all of our viewers why you wanted to go to USC.
So USC has so many different opportunities. There's even an opportunity where you can travel abroad to Antarctica, and there's so much to do. It's in California, so much places to see, there's concerts, so it's just incredible. And they have a progressive degree program where you can get your master's in 1 year instead of 2, which I plan to do after I get my bachelor's.
I want to know a little bit about the application process and how your counselors at Maryknoll High School helped you through that process.
So the process was really exciting. It was very long, but with Mr. Kikalike and Mrs. Lum's help, we got a lot of, they basically told me how to do it like step by step. They went through the steps with me. Any questions I had, they were able to answer it really quickly, and basically it was a very stress-free process. And on top of that, I was able to reflect on my experiences here at Marinol and all the achievements that I've had. So it was really exciting.
Well, here on Living808, we're showcasing everything about Maryknoll School. Before we let you go, is there any shout-outs that you wanted to give anybody at Maryknoll?
So yes, I do want to give a huge shout out to my teachers, my friends, and also to my parents for just being here on this journey with me, and I couldn't have done it without any of them.
Awesome. Well, congratulations on everything. Thank you for talking to myself and all of our viewers. I heard that there are some crepes downstairs.
Oh yeah, let's go get some crepes.
Let's go get some crepes. I mean, you're okay with missing class for a second,
Yeah.
right? Okay, let's get some crepes.
I want crepes.
Let's go get some crepes. What was this segment about? Maryknoll High School, such a great resource, especially for all these kids going to college. In retrospect, I wish I did more of this, checking in with my counselors, everyone that could help me out. So good, especially as we're taking that next step right after our senior years.
Yeah, and of course, if you're interested in sending your keiki to Marinol, or your young adults to Marinol, make sure you head on over to their website, and we'll have the link on our website at KHON2.com.